Hi, my name is Nick Fichte, Business Manager for L-Acoustics Creations, and today I would like to talk to you about the power of pro audio at home and how we can help you achieve that. First and foremost, who are L-Acoustics? You may not have heard of us, but you've definitely heard us. We have become one of the world leaders in live sound reinforcement. Founded in 1984 by Dr. Christian Heil, we're a privately owned company on the outskirts of Paris in France. We have around 500 employees and 50,000 loudspeakers are manufactured each year. In fact, 24% of our workforce are based in research and development, and that's a fact we're really proud of. We're represented in 80 countries worldwide with a network of integrators, distributors, and rental partners. This really helps us get in touch with everyone across the globe to deliver truly unique solutions. L-Acoustics Creations is a division of L-Acoustics that was set up earlier this year, designed purely to serve the luxury residential, marine, and luxury hospitality markets. We can deliver the sonic signature of live music with a high SBL and no distortion. This really gives you the ability to be able to experience that live concert sound in your home. All of our products are made in Europe, and we have real large-scale production runs, means that we're great value for money. And of course, our products are robust. They've been tried in extreme conditions. We've teamed up with a number of brand ambassadors who have joined us in spreading the word of L-Acoustics and L-Acoustics Creations. This team of people are all engineers who have used L-Acoustics products for some of the leading artists across the globe. It's really fantastic to have them on board, and we're truly grateful to have them working with us. What we want to do is bring the concert home. We're known for being one of the providers of live sound across the globe, and people love nothing more than experiencing live music. So how do we do that? Well, we have sound systems, sound spaces, and then of course bespoke solutions. Let's start with sound systems. Our sound systems are a range of turnkey solutions. They start at our 2.1 setup, which is our Fichte system, and go all the way up to TONGA, which is a 7.1 surround sound system. All of these systems are designed to give you, the listener, the ultimate experience, the same as a mix engineer would actually have when they're at a concert, creating the mix for all of the concert goers to be able to enjoy. So you'll see something that we're very proud of is to put the reference listener position beneath each one of these sound systems so that you can work out what is exactly right for your listening environment. We start with Fichte, extra small size, but extra large in sound. These use a 4-inch coaxial driver in our X4i loudspeakers. These are really, really small and compact, but yet deliver a punch when partnered with our Siva subwoofer. As you'll see here, the listening position for these is 1.3 meters. You've got a 6 meter square sweet spot, but yet they'll fill a room easily of a 20 square meter. We're delivering over 117 decibels of SBL level, and that's really, really important. Partnered with our newly launched LA2XI amplifier, you've got 2,400 watts of amplification at your beck and call. We've then also got the 5.1 version of Fichte. This is for people who want to be able to not just listen to music, but enjoy it with a surround sound application. So you might have a third-party AV processor with Blu-rays, Apple TV, Amazon Fire Stick, all of the streaming devices that are available. And with this, you can watch back live streams. You can play back your Blu-rays, your DVDs of your favorite concerts and relive those really special moments, all with the sound levels that you would been achieving at those concerts. Hawaii. Hawaii is instant clubbing clout. This now uses our X8 loudspeaker cabinets with 2 of our Siva subwoofers. The X8 cabinet has an 8-inch coaxial driver in it and is seen as being used as monitors around the world by producers, DJs, and in some really prestigious venues. Again, available in the 2.1 and 5.1 format, the listening position now increases and becomes much, much, much more exciting for playing back all forms of content. TAHITI takes it to the next level again. And TAHITI, we're now using our world-famous Siva loudspeakers. Sivas have been known to be used in museums and art galleries due to their slender appearance, but yet DJs around the world love to use them because they feature that same line source array technology that we've used in live events, all built into the cabinet, and provide SBL levels like nothing else on the market. We have a 3.5 meter optimal listening position with the TAHITI system. It's got a 20 square meter sweet spot, and the listening area increases to 200 square meters. This is now powered by our LA4X amplifier, something which is really, really special because it gives you 4,000 watts of power. Each speaker has been tuned to give that ultimate listening experience in the home environment. TONGA. If you liked TAHITI, you'll love TONGA. TONGA, again, is based on those Seva loudspeakers, but now we're adding in Seva lows. Seva lows contain two 12-inch drivers, and then we've got 4 Seva subs, which also have a single 12-inch driver in them. So this is increasing the SPL so that your sweet spot is increasing, and also that listening area once again. And for a 7.1 application, there is truly, honestly, the best way to experience playing back those live concerts that we all used to enjoy and those live streams. And now we move to IBIZA. Seen on stages around the world at festivals such as Coachella and Tomorrowland, and in some of the world's top nightclubs, IBIZA is the ultimate DJ setup. Seen with DJs from around the world in between them, this now focuses on our Cara 2 loudspeaker cabinets with 4 SB18 subwoofers. We're delivering 24,000 watts of amplification through to these speakers to give the ultimate experience, whether that be for DJ monitoring or just throwing the ultimate party in either your backyard or your home nightclub. This is the system of all systems, with artists such as David Guetta, Eric Prydz, and many other headline DJs all having stood in between the setup around the world. You know that you're going to be in good company when you're using IBIZA. We move to immersive audio. L-Acoustics is well known for delivering something called L-ISA. This stands for L-Acoustics Immersive Sound Art. This was a technology developed a number of years ago to bring immersive audio to a live event. Many artists have now started using this technology at their concerts to be able to separate the audio and make it a far more immersive experience for the audience. What we've done at L-Acoustics Creations is we've delivered a whole new content playback form for this form of technology and allowed mix engineers to create content for a home environment. That content is then delivered on what we call a blue bubble. A blue bubble allows you to have the ultimate immersive content as a playback device through what we call a bubble deck. We have sound spaces which can then play back this content at the ultimate human resolution. So we start with Ocean. Ocean starts at a 9.1.8, goes up to 12.1.8, and then 18.1.12 for the ultimate experience. When we're talking about Ocean, what do we mean? This is for the ultimate entertaining space. This could be a listening gallery. This could be an art gallery. This could be anything that your client wishes to experience where they want the ultimate in immersive content. We standardize on the Blue Space format to be able to play this back. And that means very specifically, we have a 15-degree angle of differentiation between all of the Seva loudspeakers at the front and a 30-degree separation at the back. So your Ocean system will be designed around your space to make sure that you have the absolute perfect listening example to be able to listen back to this content. The experience of this is something truly unique, and we've worked on some incredible projects where people are producing multi-use spaces. This particular example can be used as a yoga studio, a gym, a party space, and also an incredible space for watching back movies. But of course, if you can't house all of those speakers in your space because it may be featured in a view, it might be in a Manhattan apartment overlooking the Hudson River, or perhaps it's in a beautiful villa overlooking the sea or the infinity pool, then this is where Island Prestige comes into its own. Island Prestige is a single piece of furniture. This furniture houses 13 8-inch coaxial drivers at the front at that 15-degree separation, 5 6.5-inch coaxial drivers at the back at a 30-degree separation, and has 2 18-inch concert-grade subwoofers tuned down to 15 hertz for infra-low bass. This is something truly unique. It really is, and something to be experienced to believe. For me, it's the perfect product for sitting, reading a book, doing some work, enjoying in a true living room space. But where it really comes to life is that you can have your beautiful view and you can be looking out to the sea or looking out to your pool, whatever it may be, And then at a touch of a button in the evening, you can transform that space into the ultimate cinema without having to leave the comfort of your living room. And the cinema levels of performance that this produces when partnered with a third-party AV processor is something that is truly unique and groundbreaking. The power delivered by those amplifiers means that this unit could provide up to 140 decibels of SPL, something that you're not going to be doing on a regular basis, but shows the power that this has to be able to deliver true reference levels of cinema. It's available in 2 different color forms from the factory, either night or natural. This works in most environments, but of course, sometimes you'll be working with an interior designer or interior architect, and you'll want to make that product truly unique to you. So for that reason, we have Island Core. Island Core is essentially a stripped back, naked version of Island Prestige, which allows your designer to add their own wooden finishes, or maybe they're not wood, but different finishes and textures to Island to make it truly unique for your project. This is a prime example of that. We partnered with interior architecture firm Zaha Hadid, and they designed the Island signature. This is available for private commission and shows truly the extent that you can go to with Island. And then, of course, we have our bespoke solutions. We love designing bespoke solutions for clients. We love to be able to get blueprints and look at those and see exactly where we can produce the best in sound. This could be a karaoke room. It could be a home nightclub. It could be a cinema room. It could be whatever you want. We can deliver sound like nothing else, and we love to be able to do this for our client. We're incredibly fortunate that lots of people have been talking about us recently in the press as well. We've been featured in some of the world's best consumer and trade press, whether that be from Trusted Reviews, Home Cinema Choice, What Hi-Fi, and far more articles as well. We have 3 showrooms worldwide at the moment, with new ones opening soon. We have London, Paris, and LA. These showrooms allow clients to be able to come and experience from a stereo system all the way up to the immersive experience that Ocean and Island offer. We would love to be able to welcome you into one of these showrooms and look forward to hearing from you soon. My details are here, and it would be a truly honor to be able to hear from you and to discuss either your next project or a visit to one of our showrooms to welcome you into the world of L-Acoustics Creations. Thank you very much for your time today, and we hope to hear from you soon.